Welcome to the Fashion Business Mastermind. Welcome to your tribe of fashion inventors. I'm Julia Antofiev, fashion inventor and manufacturer of 15 years in business and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Today we are going to talk about why joining a mastermind can benefit you for life. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. Why joining a mastermind? Because it is impossible to be successful in vacuum. You need to be part of a strong peer group that amplifies your talents, compensates for your weaknesses, helps you to move beyond your fears and achieve success. According to Napoleon Hill, the mastermind is the second principle of success. The mastermind consists of two or more people who are working in perfect harmony for the attainment of a definite purpose. First, it is a principle through which you may borrow and use the education, the experience, the influence, and perhaps the capital of other people in carrying out your own plans in life. It is a principle in which you can accomplish in 1 year more than you could accomplish without it in a lifetime if you depended entirely on your own efforts of success. When you form a true mastermind alliance with others and work with them in the spirit of perfect harmony, you can draw freely upon the spiritual forces within you in carrying out your plans and desires. You also need to know that the mastermind principle can give you an absolute protection against failure, provided your purpose is beneficial to those you influence. This was Napoleon Hill. A mastermind principle is often heavily misunderstood for knowledge exchange between the organizer and the participants. The mastermind organizer can have more experience than mastermind participants. In this case, there is a strong knowledge flow from the organizer to the participants, but this is only 10% of what mastermind is about. Another 10% come from knowledge exchange between participants. Everyone is an expert in a certain field and brings this expertise to the table. Well, 10 plus 10 is 20. Where are the remaining 80%? The remaining 80% pass unnoticed for all entrepreneurs that never joined a mastermind. The first 20% are purely technical, knowledge-oriented, and represent the word master. The remaining 80% are spirit-oriented and represent the word mind. When you join a mastermind, you physically feel to become a part of a powerful energy conglomerate that, 1, believes in you more than you believe in yourself. 2, carries you forward even when you are totally down and have no strength left. And 3, exponentially expands your mind. Do you know how they say that you are the average of 5 people you surround yourself with? I know it differently. You are not the average of people you surround yourself with. You are a product of the people you surround yourself with. The mastermind is a multiplication of the spiritual forces of the energy of all participants. You literally feel it. What does it mean that your spiritual forces get multiplied? It means that your energy expands, your world expands, your fear dissolves, your passion ignites, you gain momentum, you get the first glance of your true genius and start moving towards it with the speed of light. And for me, this is the true power of the mastermind. Follow the link under this video and answer the following questions. Your full name, your goal in this mastermind, what do you need help with, and what can you help other members with? Use this strategic sheet to find people you can help and people who can help you. To make yourself visible, post in the group what are your goals for this mastermind, and what do you need help with, and what can you help other members with. If you are not in the program yet and this video inspired you to join Fashion Business Mastermind, comment, "I want in the comments below and grab your insane 14 days free trial today by following the link in description. Much love, Julia Antofiev.